How well do you know our nature reserves? Try answering the following question before we reveal the answer. Why should we stay on trail in our nature reserves? The answer is A. Animals like venomous snakes may bite in defense when they are startled. Wandering off the trail increases your risk of startling them. Visitors may damage the flora that grow on forest grounds when they go off trail. This affects wildlife species that depend on these plants for survival. We may also get lost in the forest and create new tracks that confuse others when we wander off the trail. By staying on the trail, we can ensure that we do not compromise our safety and the safety of other visitors. Come experience our city's jungles. Visit our nature reserves today.